Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple earring using pearls. Let's start. Take a gear wire, and this is big size pearl and small size pearls. Now take a gear wire and fold it. On the right side, insert one big size pearl. Similarly, on the right side, insert small size pearls. I have inserted 4 pearls on the right side and 1 pearl on the left side, and insert a right side wire inside a left side pearl. And now again on the right side, insert a big size pearl. Left side, insert 3 small size pearls. Now insert a right side wire into a last pearl of the left side. Now on the left side, insert a big size pearl. On the right side, insert a small size pearls. Three small size pearls, and insert a left side gear wire into a last pearl of right side and pull it tightly. Make a knot, 2 to 3 knots at the end. You can also use nylon wire instead of gear wire. And now take a jump ring, insert into it, and again make a 2 to 3 knots. Now cut the extra wire. Take a back stud of earring and big size half pearl. Apply glue on the stud top and paste a half pearl on the stud. And now insert a strap into a earring. Thus we have made a simple earring. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.